AutoDrill is a feature that enables anyone who views your content to see related data by navigating field hierarchies. You can use AutoDrill in charts using any data source with field hierarchies. Enabling AutoDrill is easy. In a chart, for example, simply create the chart using a field that is part of a hierarchy, and from the Content area on the Settings tab, turn on AutoDrill. When you run the chart and point to part of it, the tooltip that appears will include the option to drill down into the data. If the field that you used is not at the top of the hierarchy, you will also be able to drill up. In a report, you can access these options from hyperlinks in Drillable sort columns. Here, because product category is at the top of the hierarchy, you can drill down to product subcategory. From there, you can drill back up to product category or continue drilling down to model. The Restore Original option enables you to start your data analysis over by re-executing the original AutoDrill request. You can also drill back up from model to product subcategory or product category using the breadcrumbs at the top of the page. This enables you to move back up in the hierarchy of your data source with ease, displaying the content that is relevant to the level you select. Clicking a breadcrumb link will take you back up to that level in the hierarchy. For example, once you have drilled down into your content, if you click the breadcrumb link for a product category like televisions, you will return to the level of the content showing product subcategories within televisions. As you can see, AutoDrill is a powerful tool that can increase the scope of your data exponentially with the use of data hierarchies and the click of a button. Note that AutoDrill may not be available for certain chart types, or if your content is part of a multi-content visualization. To learn more, visit the WebFOCUS knowledge base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.